Don't go to the ice cream shop anymore. Here's a quick and easy way to make popsicles. No molds needed, just use a milk carton. Kids will love it. First, get a clean, empty milk carton and mark spaces for the popsicles. Imagine how excited the little ones will be watching the process. It's super fun and will keep them entertained. After marking, drill holes in the center of each mark and insert popsicle sticks. Here's where you can get creative. Use colored sticks for a more cheerful and eye-catching look. It'll look like this. Set it aside. Now let's move on to the mixture. In a pot with the heat off, add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Then add half a can of condensed milk. Next, add a can of cream. Mix well until everything is dissolved. Can you already imagine how delicious it'll be? Once that's done, we'll add 700 milliliters of milk. Milk is the key ingredient for soft, creamy popsicles. Heat on low, stirring constantly until it thickens. This step takes patience, but the result is worth it. Keep stirring and watching to avoid burning or lumps. Once thick and creamy, add 240 grams of shredded coconut. Coconut adds an irresistible tropical flavor. Mix for a minute to distribute coconut evenly. Cool it well before pouring into the milk carton. This helps popsicles freeze faster and more evenly. We'll use plastic wrap to seal it. Wrap it tightly around the box and close it up. Seal well to prevent air and ice crystal formation. Now let's put the box in the freezer. Our ice cream has set nicely. Time to unmold and cut along the marks we made earlier. Look how beautiful they are. We can almost taste them now. Carefully, we'll remove the paper and repeat for the other pops. Next, we'll melt some chocolate and pour it into a jar. The melted chocolate will make our pops even more irresistible. We'll add 2 spoons of crushed peanuts and mix well. This step's optional but adds a delicious crunch to our pops. Dip the pops in chocolate and we're done. Wow, they look like gourmet desserts. Our pops are ready and taste amazing. If you enjoyed this recipe, leave a comment and tell me what you think.